will commence his two-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir today. During the visit, the Prime Minister will lay the foundation stones of multiple developmental projects and he will participate in the 10th International Day of Yoga event in Srinagar. The PM is all set to launch development projects related to road infrastructure, to water supply schemes and to higher education, along with infrastructure aiming to empower the youth. He will also inaugurate projects like the JKCIP, the Chenani Patnitop Nursery section, the industrial estates, government degree colleges and distribute appointment letters to government employees. Tomorrow, the Prime Minister is scheduled to attend the 10th International Day of Yoga event, which will be held at the Sher-e-Kashmir International Conference Centre, or the SKICC, in Srinagar. During the event, the Prime Minister will deliver a speech to the assembled audience. The visit is very significant as it comes before the presumed assembly elections being held in Jammu and Kashmir. In the general elections, people already seem to have rejected the Gupkar gang, but the opposition still frowned upon the Prime Minister's event and said that there can be no yoga without peace. Meanwhile, the BJP claims that the Prime Minister's presence is meant to signal the government's confidence and the long-term plans it has for peace and prosperity in Jammu and Kashmir. Listen in now to the political reactions.
जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए ये एक सराहनीय कदम है। योगा हमारा इतिहास है, हमारी सभ्यता है, हमारी संस्कृति है। विश्व में 170 देशों को जो योग को अपनाया जाना अपने आप में एक महत्वपूर्ण है और प्रधानमंत्री जी के इनिशिएटिव द्वारा ये हुआ। शरीर, मन, आत्मा और बुद्धि चहुमुखी विकास इससे होता है। प्रधानमंत्री जी कोई भी अवसर हो, अलग अलग त्योहार हो, अलग अलग तरह से कभी सैनिकों के पास जाकर के, कभी बॉर्डर में जाकर के, कभी बर्फीले इलाकों में जाकर के लोगों को उसमें अवसर देते हैं, साथ में मिलकर के काम करने का। जम्मू कश्मीर की तरफ से हम उनका स्वागत करते हैं और ये बड़ा सराहनीय कदम है।
बहुत बड़ा आयोजन किया जा रहा है जिसमें लगभग 8-9 हज़ार की संख्या में वहां पर लोग उपस्थित रहेंगे। उनके साथ योग करने वाले समुदाय के भिन्न लोगों, समुदाय, समाज के भिन्न समुदाय से आए हुए लोग। उसके अतिरिक्त कल हम बैठ करके ये चर्चा कर रहे थे, तो एक ये भी योजना है। देखिए,
हमारा मानना है योग तब तक नहीं जब तक सुकून नहीं। जम्मू कश्मीर के हालात अभी योग के लिए माकूल नहीं। ये सच्चाई है जम्मू कश्मीर की, लेकिन ये भी सच्चाई है कि आज जम्मू कश्मीर के हालात पर्याप्त नहीं है इस तरह के इवेंट के लिए कि प्रधानमंत्री जी योग कर पाए। लगभग 50,000 अतिरिक्त सुरक्षा बलों की बंदूक के साए में, इसके लिए हालात माकूल होना ज्यादा आवश्यक है।
वो आएंगे यहाँ पे जमहूरियत के बारे में कुछ कहेंगे, क्योंकि हालात बड़े बिगड़ते जा रहे हैं। यकायक और सरप्राइजिंगली चुनाव के फौरन बाद एक दिन में ही ऐसा लगा कि मशरूम ग्रोथ हो गई मिलिटेंट्स की। 4 अटैक 3 दिन में होते हैं। 10 जगह, दर्जन जगहों पे संदिग्ध देखे जाते हैं और तलाशी अभियान है। सब जगह पूरे जम्मू सूबे में जहाँ मिलिटेंसी का खात्मा हुआ था, वहाँ पे जातियों पे हमला हो जाना कि यहाँ के युवाओं के साथ बड़ा वादा किया गया था 370 के खास खसूस, तो इसलिए उस वादे का क्या हुआ।
The highest level of security preparations and foolproof arrangements are in place for the forthcoming visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Srinagar. There is also excitement among the people there regarding the PM's visit. Here is a ground report.
The security has been intensified across the Kashmir Valley ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to the Union Territory. Now remember that this will be the first visit of the Prime Minister after sworn-in for the third term as the Prime Minister of the India. We are right now at the Kazigund, the highway which is connecting the Kashmir to the Pir Panjal range and to the Jammu, where you can see that the security has been intensified. The frisking points and the multiple nakas have been established to ensure the foolproof security cover. Now remember that this is a vulnerable highway, that's why the security has been heightened, and the security agencies comprising of both the paramilitary CR PF and the J&K police, they are ensuring foolproof security cover. That's why the vehicles driven from the Jammu, they are being thoroughly frisked once they entered in the Kashmir Valley. And this security cover has been put in place not only in the Ghazi Gund, not only on the national highways connecting Jammu to the other parts, but also the sensitive and hypersensitive locations of the Kashmir Valley, particularly in the Srinagar and at the venue, that's the Sher Kashmir International Convention Center, which is on the banks of the Dal Lake, where the Prime Minister is scheduled to celebrate the International Yoga Day on the 21st of June. The sources confirms to us that the Prime Minister is arriving tomorrow evening, and he will be holding the celebration of the International Yoga Day on the Dal Lake. So somehow the security arrangements have been finalized, the administrative arrangements have been finalized, reinforcement have been pressed into service for the foolproof security cover. In fact, the SPG, they have already sent to the valley on the weekends, so ensuring the foolproof security cover in the synergy.
But here is Sikh community with me. Let me talk to the leaders of the Sikh community. What are their demands, what are their expectations, and how excited and enthusiastic they are about Prime Minister's visit. कितना excited है प्रधानमंत्री के इस विजिट को लेकर?
पहले तो आपका धन्यवाद करते हैं कि हमेशा हमारी जो डिमांड्स हैं सरकार तक पहुंचाने में आप हमारे मीडिएटर का काम करते हैं। आपने कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री जी की विजिट को लेकर कितने एक्साइटेड हैं। इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री जी का जम्मू कश्मीर में आना एक बूस्ट है, एक आदमी मोटिवेट होता है, एक जो कहीं ना कहीं एक डर का माहौल था, हालांकि वो डर का माहौल जेकेपी, पुलिस ने, एलजी प्रशासन ने, आर्मी ने मिलके जो पाकिस्तान की नापाक कोशिश थी उसको जो बिल्कुल एकदम जो फ्लॉप कर दिया उसकी कोशिश को, मगर फिर भी इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री जी का विजिट जम्मू कश्मीर में जो है कहीं ना कहीं अवाम को बूस्ट करता है, मोटिवेट करता है।
हमारी डिमांड्स की जो बात करते हैं आप, हम एक ऐसी डिमांड है हमारी जो जेन्युइन डिमांड है, कोई आउट ऑफ वे नहीं है। क्या है वो? मिनोरिटी कमीशन हमें जम्मू कश्मीर में चाहिए, एट द पैटर्न ऑफ अदर स्टेट्स इन इंडिया, एट द पैटर्न ऑफ अदर यूटीज इन इंडिया। मिनोरिटी कमीशन चाहिए, वो दैट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर सिख्स, दैट इज फॉर ऑल द मिनोरिटीज लिविंग इन द जम्मू कश्मीर। और एक हमारी जो बहुत बड़ी डिमांड जो हम रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी को, एक 24 असेंबली सीट फ्रीज की हुई है भारत सरकार ने पीओके की, जो नाजायज कब्जा है, इलीगल ऑक्यूपेशन है पाकिस्तान की, विद द फोर्स ऑफ आर्मी एंड देयर बेल्ट फोर्सेस। हम चाहते हैं दैट 24 सीट शुड बी डिफ्रीज और उनके लिए एक इलेक्शन हाउस की जाए एट द सेम पैटर्न ये जम्मू कश्मीर यूटी। उन 24 सीट्स के लिए कंटेस्ट करने के लिए वो एलिजिबल हो जिनके पास एल फॉर्म है, जो वहाँ से माइग्रेट होकर आया हुआ है, रेफ्यूजी बन के आया हुआ है, और वोटिंग कास्ट विद अ डिजिटल मेथड। मैं आपके माध्यम से ये चैलेंज करता हूँ, पीओके में अगर भारत असेंबली की इलेक्शन करवाता है वहाँ 90% पोलिंग होगी, यहाँ कम होगी।
And Pradeep Datta joins us live now. Pradeep, before the elections, we saw the Prime Minister addressing a rally in Srinagar. Now he's visiting and he's going to stay there. Tell us about the significance of this visit and tell us what he'll be inaugurating there as well from a development point of view.
It's a very significant visit so far as the Prime Minister is concerned and people of Jammu and Kashmir are concerned. One, because after taking over as the reins of the country in his hand, this will be his first visit and he's coming over to this place. Second, why it's very important because at a time when terrorists were trying to make their presence felt, we saw that back-to-back there have been 4 attacks. Prime Minister coming over to Kashmir Valley and performing yoga at the banks of Dal Lake. He's sending a message and loud and clear there's nothing to fear. It's a complete normalcy. People should come out to this place because he has got a global charisma. And when Prime Minister is coming over to this place, definitely this is going to give boost to tourism sector and it's further going to give fillip to economy. Not only that, Prime Minister is also going to interact with the youth. Because last time also when Prime Minister came here for the rally, we saw that there was a lot of enthusiasm among people from different walks of life, from different places. They had come to listen to Prime Minister. And today also he'll be interacting with the youth. The program will be called Empowering Youth and Transforming Jammu and Kashmir. Because Prime Minister from day one had been saying that they have to initiate dialogue with the youth of Jammu and Kashmir. Dil se and Delhi ki duri will be lessened only if they are going to interact with the people of the Kashmir Valley, because youth are the main stakeholder. He'll be interacting with them. So he is going to further motivate, further inspire youth, channelize their energy in the right direction so that the youth are not brainwashed and motivated to join terror rank. Instead, they should be mainstreamed and they should fall in the right direction and work for the country and nation building. It will be important. And the third thing is that he is going to inaugurate about 84 projects that will be the value of about 1,500,000 crore. So that those projects will be for the country. He is also going to provide employment letters to all those youngsters for the government jobs. And besides this, they will also be providing homes to many of the homeless. So it's that way. It's going to be very important visit. But unfortunately, even today, the opposition party leaders, they are trying to criticize Prime Minister visit, saying there is no peace and normalcy.
Pradeep, do stay with